Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Alex. What's yours?
My name is Alyssa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York, and you?
I'm from New York too.
What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm a teacher.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old, and you?
I'm 25 years old.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading. What about you?
I enjoy playing soccer.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, and yours?
I like purple.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. Do you?
No, I'm an only child.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math. What's yours?
I like English.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Smith.
I like Mrs. Johnson.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I like it too.
What time does school start?
It starts at 8 o'clock.
That's early.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus. How about you?
I walk to school.
What do you do after school?
I usually do my homework. And you?
I play basketball with my friends.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I love Harry Potter. What about you?
I like The Hobbit.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. And you?
I live in an apartment. How many rooms are there in your house?
There are 5 rooms.
That's nice.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually watch TV. And you?
I love to read books.
Do you help with housework?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I help my mom.
What is your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room is the living room. And yours?
I like my bedroom.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, we have a small garden.
That's great.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a shirt.
What size do you need?
I need a medium size. How much is this?
It is $20.
That's a good price. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great, I'll take it. Where's the fitting room?
The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. Can I return this item?
Yes, you can within 30 days.
Good to know. Do you have this in another color?
Yes, we have it in blue and black.
I'll take the blue one. Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, it's 10% off.
That's great.
Can I see the menu, please?
Here is the menu.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
I recommend the pasta.
That sounds good. Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Is this dish spicy?
Yes, it is.
I like spicy food. Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we do.
Great, I'll have the salad. Can I get this to go?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. What is the soup of the day?
It's tomato soup.
I'll have that, please.
Where is the nearest bank?
It's on Main Street.
Thank you.
How do I get to the library?
Go straight and turn left at the second traffic light.
Thanks for your help.
Can you help me find a book?
Sure. What book are you looking for?
I'm looking for a book on history.
Do you have any recommendations for a good movie?
Yes, you should watch The Notebook.
Thanks. I'll check it out.
What time does the coffee shop open?
It opens at 7 a.m.?
Great, I'll be there early.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's around the corner.
Thank you.
How much is a ticket to the museum?
It's $15.
That's affordable.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am. What do you have in mind?
How about going to the movies?
That sounds great.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days. Can I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags?
Yes, just this one. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Perfect day for a picnic.
Absolutely. I'd like to check in, please.
Sure, can I have your ID and reservation number?
Here they are.
Thank you. Your room is on the second floor. Hello, is this Sarah?
Yes, speaking. Who's this?
This is John. I wanted to ask about meeting tomorrow.
Can I borrow this book?
Yes, you can. Do you have your library card?
Yes, here it is.
I'd like to send this package to Canada.
Sure, please fill out this form.
Thank you.
Where can I find the diary section?
It is in aisle 5.
Thank you.
How much is a monthly membership?
It's $30 per month.
Do you offer any classes?
Yes, we have yoga, Pilates, and spinning classes.
What did you do over the weekend?
I went hiking with some friends. How about you?
I stayed home and watched movies.
That sounds relaxing. What movies did you watch?
I watched a couple of comedies. They were really funny.
How's work going?
It's been pretty busy, but I'm managing. How about you?
Same here. Lots of projects to finish.
I know the feeling. Do you have any big deadlines coming up?
Yes, I have a major presentation next week.
Have you seen the latest episode of that show?
Yes, it was amazing. What did you think?
I loved it. Can't wait for the next one. What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to pop music. You?
I like rock music.
That's cool. Do you have a favorite band?
Yes, I love listening to the Beatles. How about you?
I'm a big fan of Selena Gomez. Her songs are amazing.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go jogging every morning. How about you?
I do yoga a few times a week.
That sounds nice. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, it helps me relax. What about jogging? Do you like it?
Yes, it gives me energy for the day.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. How about you?
I really like sushi.
Sushi is great. Do you have a favorite type?
Yes, I love salmon rolls. What about you?
I enjoy pepperoni pizza the most.
Have you traveled recently?
Yes, I went to California last month. And you?
I visited Los Angeles a few weeks ago.
That sounds nice. Did you have fun?
Yes, it was really relaxing. The weather was good.
Do you have any goals for this year?
Yes, I want to learn a new language. How about you?
I want to get better at cooking.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I enjoy it. How about you?
I like it too, especially finding good deals.